So it looks like the campground is closed for the season, but I want to check it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk over there because they have a gate closing off the area where you drive in. So this is the first time that I'm walking any type of like outdoor area since I messed up my knee. And there's a nice little incline here, so hopefully my knee doesn't act up because I really want to check out this campground. Even though it's closed, I still want to check it out. There's just something really big over there in the woods. Hoping it was just a deer. I wish I was recording when it happened, but I heard a branch break. And it sounded like a pretty big animal, but I don't see anything. I just want to make sure it's not a bear. But I don't see what animal that was. So just keep an eye out. Honor box. Cute. Oh, they already have little sites right here. Very cute. Let's see what this is over here. Butterfly garden. I got the dump station. I'm assuming non-potable water here. Cool, cool, cool. Oh, this is for the camp host, I guess. Off duty. It's a nice site. Fire ring, picnic tables. Looks like there's electric and water over there. Very cool. Nice. All right, let's go see what the other sites look like. They're kind of up on each other, like this one and the one that's next 36. It's kind of up on each other. Oh, but this one's nice because it looks like it has a trail going right to the rest areas. See, if I were to come here, I would probably go to that one because with all those trees there and stuff, it looks like it's a little bit more secluded over in that area. But it looks like that one also has an area that you can walk right to the bathhouse. Go check this out. Oh, very nice. It's a really nice bathhouse. Because these are some nice sites. I like this one a lot. Very cool. Got a place where you can hang your lantern. Got a little meal prep area, a little bar area. Nice fire ring. Turn around. Got a fairly new picnic table. Outhouse. Oh, and it has electric. Sweet. So like, ooh, I like this site. Ow. Just got rained on in the eyeball. Ooh, I like this site. The only problem with this site is, since I like to car camp, that's nice and private back there, but you can't get your vehicle back there. You have to park on the road. That wouldn't work for me. Yeah, like this right here is right up on the road. I definitely want to go to site 55 or 53. Definitely not. It's right here on the road. While I'm walking around here, so I got these boots at a Gabe store for $15. They have really good traction or whatever. But yeah, 15 bucks, man. How can you go wrong? $15. All right, let's get a close up of one of these cabins. This one is Cardinal 2. Very cute. I like that it's accessible. Ooh, air conditioning. Say what? Got your picnic table, fire pit. Those are really cute. Here's another one. Very cute. This one's called Bluebird. Very nice. Okay, I'm going to start heading back to my car because I'm going to quit while I'm ahead, while my knee is still behaving. Oh, I don't think I ever told you guys. So thankfully, it is not a meniscus tear. So that's a good thing. I do have, they say on the radiology report, I guess I do have patellar tendinosis. So basically the ortho guy just told me, or the ortho doctor told me, that I need to do some physical therapy, build up strength in my knee, exercise. So, hey, I'm building up strength in my knee right now. I'm walking all around and exercising. So he said, just push through the pain. So that's what we're going to do. Buckle up, buttercup. That was cool. I'm gonna go check out the other areas of Susquehanna State Park. Let's go. Yeah, those are railroad tracks over there. All right, so we're gonna park over here so y'all can take a peek. All right, let's see. Yep, definitely railroad tracks over there. Yeah, look, railroad tracks. Old railroad tracks. That's so cool. All right, dare we try to go down these steps. All right, come on, knee, don't fail me now. Woo. Y'all don't make fun of me. I don't want to hurt my knee again. So I'm taking it real slow and simple and easy. This is really cool. Check that out. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but it almost sounds like there's some kind of waterfalls down that way. I can hear it, but I can't see it because of all the fog. This is cool. I know it's hard to see anything because it's so foggy. This is really pretty. Oh, I gotta come back on a prettier day. All right, I'm gonna pull off here and let these guys go because they are all up on my butt and it's annoying. I'm just trying to enjoy the scenery. Ugh, I hate when people do that. People behind down. All right, now we can slowly go on our journey without pissing anybody off. Ay, ay, ay. All right, got my envelope so I can pay my fee. So let me punch this out here. And then I have to hang it up here. 1 day only. Pass is valid for 1 day only. So I'll hang that guy there. And boom. And we'll dump our money into here. I hope it doesn't fall out. Oh well, if it does, at least I have it on here that I've paid my money. All right. So apparently, you have to pay to get into the picnic area of Susquehanna State Park. The other areas of the park are, I guess, free. So that's nice. Maryland residents pay $2. Non-Maryland residents pay $4. So they got pavilions over here. They have playgrounds. They have restrooms. They have a porta potty. If those restrooms aren't open, I will be using the porta potty because I've got to go. Y'all hear me? I've got to go. So basically, I feel like you're also paying for parking because this is like the biggest parking area that I've seen. So we're going to go over here. We're going to see if these restrooms are open. Because I've got to go. Their facilities are closed, which I'm surprised because it's the weekend, but like, it's really not that cold for pipes to be freezing and stuff, but whatever. At least the porta potty was open. There was no hand sanitizer or anything inside the porta potty, so glad I have my own. All right. Right, so basically, I just paid to use the porta potty and to park here for a little while. Yeah. Okay. So can't sleep here tonight because the campground's closed. So tonight, there are 2 spots that I have found. There is a rest stop. Did y'all just hear my stomach? I need to eat. There's a rest stop off of I-95. I think it's more of a parking ride, but it's pretty secluded and it looks like it would be pretty quiet if that doesn't work out. There is a Cracker Barrel not too far from that area. And the 3rd spot, if need be, is a Walmart because there is very limited free camping in this area. Unfortunately, although I saw like a lot of little spots coming up into this picnic area where I feel like you could really do like off the side of the road car camping. It should be allowed for free. It's public land, you know what I'm saying? Shoot, even if you charge a few bucks, just make it available. What's going on, Maryland? Why y'all have all this can't do this, can't do that, can't park here, campground closes at this time? Like, yeah. All right, let's see what we're going to get into next. And if I don't find anything else interesting to get into, I will say thank you for watching this Vlogmas episode. And we'll be back again tomorrow at 5 o'clock Eastern Standard Time for the next Vlogmas, whatever day it is, because I can't keep track and I'm hungry and I need to eat and who cares? Thank you for watching. I appreciate y'all very much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Hey, I found the actual boat launch. This is a boat launch. Now, of course, I don't have a boat to launch, but we are going to check out these views. Yeah. All right, we're going to park right over here. Then we're going to check out these views. Oh, there's restrooms over here. I bet you those are open. Oh, you can't see. It's so foggy, you guys can't see. I can barely see. Oh my gosh. Literally, the water is right here, and then you just look up, and it's like a complete fog. Oh my gosh. Look at Sangria. Look at this. She's a mess. Oh, child.